Hello again. A little different video this time, okay? My class is over on this side, so I'll kind of look over there. Okay. Today, we're going to do a lab. It's going to be the first part of the lab. I'm going to kind of demonstrate the lab, and then we'll work together on it, okay? Now, this lab involves an inclined plane. You place the inclined plane at a certain angle. Doesn't matter what angle. You want to measure the angle, though, after you set it, correct? Yeah. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put a cart on the inclined plane. Now, remember the problem we did where I had a 16 kilogram mass hanging off the back of the inclined plane, and that was enough to accelerate the 8 kilogram mass up, correct? Remember that? Now, as I accelerated that mass, the 16 kilogram mass down, the tension in the cord, 16 times 10, was not 160. It was the F net of that mass, right? Yeah. Subtract that from that, the 160, and that was the tension in the cord. It would become negative, correct? Because it was in the other direction. This time, you're going to find out. I'm going to give you a cart with a certain mass. And I'm going to give you a hanger to hang on the other end. Goes around the pulley. And you've got to determine what mass is just the right mass to overcome friction. Then you'll know what will F net be if it's just exactly enough mass to overcome friction. That net force would be 0. Right, very good. 0. Okay, now, this is the problem. I know the mass of the cart. I know the mass on the hanger. I know the angle. I know that the net force is 0. This is your problem. You ready? This is your question. What is the coefficient of friction? What two things do you need to find when you find the coefficient of friction? You need to find Fn and Ff. You need to find the weight that's perpendicular to the plane and the friction, correct? Okay, I have the setup behind me, okay? Let's look at it. Now, can you see me? Yeah, good. Here's the car, here, right? Can you see me? Right, that's the car. And I have this already set up where this mass is going to be just the right mass. You ready? Watch this. That's just the right mass. If I took that mass off, it would be steady. I'm going to put that mass on, and I'm going to get it going down. You see that? All right? So that is, this mass creates a weight that counterbalances this weight. These weights are not the same, but they equal 0. Correct? Yes? Excellent. Now, let's go to the board and do a free body diagram to see if we can figure out the problem. I have the weights, the masses. We'll use that. We'll try to calculate the coefficient of friction. Yes? Excellent.